Hi all, welcome to another video by CeeBeeDesignStudio, and here I'm going to take you on a walkthrough of 2 BHK property. Today I'm going to reveal an interesting story about this gorgeous apartment. So the couple who live in this apartment have approached CeeBeeDesignStudio with a unique ask. They wanted to get this property renovated instead of moving out to the new property because it was surrounded by their friends and family. So this was a very huge task for us because we wanted to create a total fresh look, also keeping the requirements and the choice of design in mind. So talking about the theme of the house, the rustic vibe and the richness of the Indian element which we have added have been embedded so nicely with the simplicity of the country style theme. As per the requirement, as client wanted to have some Indian element in the house, so here we have used the portraiture art which completely depicts the Ramayana on it, and also we have completely blended with the country style theme over here. So in the kitchen area specifically, we have changed the layout, the position and created the breakfast counter segment with the dining area. Also, to make sure that the proper circulation of the space is maintained, we have created the bench seating over here with the 2 dining chairs. Also, we have converted the balcony area to the study area, and to make it more lively, we have created the vertical garden over here. We wanted to ensure that the natural lighting and the ventilation is proper in the kitchen. So that is why we have changed the existing layout to the new layout, and we have used the ceiling mounted chimney over here. Also, we wanted to keep the theme of the kitchen as per the theme of all our house. That's why we have kept it very neutral and subtle. We are in the kids room of one of our property in the Bangalore, and this kids room has been designed in a very quirky way, and we have renovated this kids room, so we have to make sure that it comes with a wow factor on it, and which has the existing structure as well. So we begin with the highlighting wall of this room, which is the global map and which has the kiddish symbol on it, which keeps the room aesthetically alive. So now we are going to talk about the wardrobe, which has been made in the geometric pattern, and the overall theme of the room we have kept it very neutral, which turned out to be very perfect for the kids room of their age. So we had this in our mind that whenever we go for any renovation of our house, it would be CeeBee. And the reason was had seen their work, and it was like 5-6 years back when they had done some work in one of the Kolkata property of 2 BHK, and he was really, he really felt good about that project, and he did show it to us, to me also, and even I like that project, and we thought yes, and we continue seeing their other YouTube videos and all, and the more we started seeing that, the more we were confirmed, we had this feeling that we should go with them, and that's how CeeBee happened. So we were very clear that ours is a very 2 BHK apartment, right? And what our thought was, we wanted a European theme. The colors, we wanted to be a bit subtle. It should make our room more spacious. So that was our concern when we went with it.
In fact, the only theme that we gave to CeeBee was that what we really want was obviously, like what Sushma said, was more of a very rustic country that has got a lot of simplicity embedded into it. But at the same time, how do you bring that Indianness, but at the same time, you really want to be deep rooted to our culture? So those fine elements that they were able to bring in, right? I think that is what truly differentiates CeeBee with any other designers.
And they really incorporated our ideas, our thoughts, and when we were searching the drawings and all, they came up, and the 3Ds, we were really impressed. They actually helped us with the color code, the shades and all. I think what has turned out to be is really, we are really happy with the outcomes of it.
Like they started with the questionnaire. It is very highly detailed. So we started with 2 different parties, right? But at the end of the journey, it was like one vision. They understood what we really wanted, and that is what is interpreted. The beauty, the aesthetics, it's simply, truly remarkable. Hats off to the designers, hats off to CeeBee. Thank you so much.
I think the day when we entered the house, when it was all done, we felt that now it has become a home. And thanks to CeeBee and their whole team, we really being very heartfelt thanks to them.
And what I also really appreciate about CeeBee is the kind of depth they go, or clarity, rather, I'll put that way, from a communication standpoint, right? Right from the project charter to the handoffs, right? And obviously, I do need to say Mr. Vijay, he is, I think, one of the backbones, the pillars. You can see the backdrop over here. I think it took 10-15 days to make this, and what we wanted, right? That is exactly what he delivered. And he went through multiple iterations. That is the kind of detailing that you can expect from a professional design services. I think that's what they've delivered. And this is one of the many that I could talk about.